guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do an unboxing. I have several boxes that came in and I figured it would be just a little something different, something fun, and let's break into this bad boy. I've been waiting. You can kind of see what this is, but I'm just going to go ahead and open it. So yes, this is 50 pounds of soy wax. In case you wanted to see what that looked like. It's a large amount. Anyway, this is the 464. So that just feels good. So, this is my first product. As you probably have noticed, I am a candle maker as well as a soap maker. And so, I would like to actually branch out and add more to my product line. And so that's why I got this. Also, I'll be having some wax melt. Alright, so this next one, I took the edges off, obviously. As you guys are probably aware, my lighting isn't the greatest for my YouTube videos, and I wanted to fix that. So I already bought this previously, so I have 2 of these lights, but I have a bigger area and I wanted to add more lighting because I'd really like to increase the quality of my videos. So let me just show you a picture. Maybe that'll be easier. This is basically what I got. These directions. So I already have these. I will be adding 2 more. Really excited about this. And they pack it all into this really convenient carry case. So, yay. I'm really happy about that. Alright. So the next one, what did I do with my scissors? They're gone. Oh, here they are. Does anybody ever do that? You have something and then you just lose it? I don't know if that's age. I'm not that old, but... I have an order going out today, a wholesale order, so I will definitely be using these to help keep everything safe and secure. I like to recycle when I can. Alright. Awesome! I don't know why this has not been in my lineup yet. Honestly, it's just a stainless steel rolling pin. If you're a Bath and Body artisan, you will know how essential these are, and I don't even know how I got away with not getting one yet. But yes, I will be using this for my bubble bars and other things, soap dough, embeds, just a variety of things. So, super happy. I should put that right there. And then we got these adorable boxes. We're gonna have bracelets going in these, and I absolutely love this color. It's my jam. So my bracelets will go in here. You will probably, well, let me go show you a bracelet really quick. These are the bracelets that I'm designing and going to have in these boxes. I have several colors of the lava rocks also, but the rose quartz is just meaningful to me right now. Just things in my personal life. I actually kind of do believe in the power of manifestation, so you'll see me in some of my videos wearing these, and that is why. So it's just, you know, a stretchy bracelet. I'll just put those back on. Alright, we got some mold. Goodness gracious. Sorry if that's loud. Wow. Very loud. Okay. These are mini mermaid tails. Kind of excited. Whoa. And then we have our beeswax. I love using beeswax in my lip balms, and maybe my wax melts, just to keep them a little bit more firmer in the heat since we are coming on the summer months. So there's that. Let me go get my other boxes. Alright, as you can see, this is another investment, but it is worth it. Take a look at that beauty. So I've actually had my eye on this. Has been in my cart for a while, and then I noticed that it was bought out. I don't know how I missed it because I thought I was really watching it, but anyway, I noticed that there was like one in stock, so I was like, man, I grabbed that so fast. So I'm super excited about this one. Obviously it kind of goes in hand with the candles and the wax. Well, this is a bag and heavy. Holy crap. It's huge. Okay. I say this frequently, but it does take money to make money. So you do have to invest in some quality items that will help you in your production. And I mean, I could go get a small, I do already have the double boiler method down, but I want to make in bigger quantities, and I don't want to have to slave away over the stovetop doing those. So I decided to go ahead and just get this. You'll see the bigger candle makers, not the big ones, but the small to medium. We have several of these. Oops. Oh, I wish you guys could see how big that really is. If I can get this out. Okay, so that's the bottom. So since I'm going to be using hot wax in here, I'm going to replace this. I forgot to order it. In my haste to get this, I forgot to order the other piece that I wanted to replace this with, because I don't want this to melt with hot wax. So that'll make it easier. I could also run to Home Depot or something and get something in there. But here this baby is. So if you're a candle maker, I highly encourage you to look into these. I will probably give a full review after I've used it for a little bit. Just based on what I've seen though, these are really handy to have. And I believe it is it 7 to 8 quarts that you can get in here. So super excited about that. So excited. And then I ran to Hobby Lobby last night and I got a few things, so I picked these up. This is not part of the Amazon haul, but it's a haul. So kind of excited about these, even though I'm not even into flamingos. These were super cute. These here, I picked up 10 of these. So this is really convenient for little cupcake soaps that I have. I'm repackaging, and I also have a wholesale order going out, and so I wanted to have something that really fit good. So I got that. Okay, and then I already got into this because I had to open this up for my baker's racks. I had to put some things up there, but I got these. I got these on Amazon as well. And when I was in town last night, I got this. Yeah, I use all my old, like I recycle anything that I get, but I also needed this in addition to that. So since I went to Walmart, some of this crinkle paper whenever I can. So if it's on sale, I grab it up. I go to the dollar store, wherever I need to get it, I will get it. But this was on sale at Walmart, so I grabbed it. Okay, so this was at Hobby Lobby. This is all they had in stock, where I would have grabbed more, but these I use for my farmer's market setup. I'm kind of changing over from the turquoise color that I have. I mean, I obviously still have it as part of my logo, so I will keep them, but I'm going more towards the baby, her pastel pink. And got these there also. I needed these for a project. Let's see. And then this is from, I'm just going to put these in here. So this is not at all, you know, put together where I'm just going to tell you where I got them, but this is not like organized or anything. So I picked up my pink colored goggles, safety goggles for when I'm making soap. And that was from Amazon, by the way. I will link everything I'm showing you below. I got this extension for my sewing machine. I do have a sewing project in the works, and I needed this here table. Actually pretty bad. So, or not a table, it's just an extension. Because of the material that I'm working with, and I don't need it to be moving around a lot. Yeah, so I got that. Forgot these. Hobby Lobby project I had coming up. And then I had also ran into, was it Family Dollar? I'm not sure. I like to go to these places and get stuff for cheap. Save what you can. And then I got some of these little shaker containers, and I will put my most used glitter in these. It is. So Dollar General. Alright. That was my haul. Yeah. If you guys enjoyed this haul, please like, share, comment. Tell me what your favorite part was. I will definitely link everything below that I can. Probably the majority of it will from Amazon for those items. The things from Hobby Lobby, you probably have a local one. Feel free to hit that up. But I appreciate you watching and supporting the channel. So you guys have a good day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye. Alright guys, so I forgot this bag, so I'm just going to pop in here real quick and tell you this was a piping set that I got. I needed this for some cupcake projects. I have lots of them coming up. And then underneath here is a bag that you'll see I use this in a lot of my stuff that I package. I am trying to get a little bit more eco-friendly, but right now I don't have an alternative, so I got this, and super handy. And then I also picked up this box. It's super handy when you have the cupcakes to send them out as a gift box. And then this here is just some scoops I got, some different sizes. So, all right, that's it. Thank you guys.